This Oreo banana cake ticks all the boxes. Super moist, super fluffy, and absolutely delicious. See how I put this together. Of course, you need a king of the ingredients, which is the Oreo. Transfer this into a sandwich bag and crush it until it is looking like so. Now you need some overripe bananas. I'm going to use 3 strands of bananas here. Transfer it into your bowl and mash it until it's smooth. I do not mind the bits, so I don't make it very smooth. This consistency is just perfect for me. I'll add some lemon juice to amplify the taste of our Oreo banana cake. I'll mix this with the banana to combine. Now I'll be adding some white and brown sugar. I find that combining the sugars takes the banana cake to a whole new level. I'll add some eggs as well, some melted butter, and mix everything to combine. Now to this, I'll add some vanilla extract, some Greek or plain yogurt, of course our all-purpose flour, baking soda and baking powder, and mix everything to combine. Of course, do not forget your salt. When you're mixing it, please be gentle. You don't want to mix it for too long as well, or else it will lose the moistness. Okay, so as soon as it comes together like so, please stop mixing. Don't mix any further. Okay, now it's time to add the king of our ingredients, which is our crushed Oreo, and stir everything gently to combine. I'll then layer my greased pan with some baking paper and then transfer my butter. This Oreo cake was absolutely delicious, definitely worth trying. If you're still here, thank you so much for watching. Please let me know where you're watching from so I can give you a shout. Now smoothing up the top of the butter and transfer more of the Oreo on top. Yes, we're going all in at this point because you want it to be very delicious. Once I have topped up with more of the Oreo, I will garnish it again with some of the crushed one and then pop it into the oven at 180 degrees Celsius. I'm going to prepare my glaze by transferring some powdered sugar, butter, vanilla extract, and a little bit of milk, and stir everything. Make sure you whisk it, whisk everything to combine until it's nice and silky like so. After about 30 to 40 minutes, our Oreo banana bread is ready, and just look at that, so delicious. I topped it up with the glaze and it was absolutely delicious. This is worth every try. If you'll be trying it, please type yes in the comment section. Please do not forget to like, comment, and share. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.